Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, showcasing my daily life and adventure here in the US. So tara guys, samahan niyo ulit ako sa panibagong travel adventure dito sa US. Let's go! Hey guys, touchdown at Chicago O'Hare International Airport. Welcome to the Windy City, Chicago. First vacation sa year 2025. So guys, we landed here in O'Hare International Airport. It is a 2.5 hours flight from MSY International Airport in Louisiana to Chicago. There are two international airports here in Chicago, the O'Hare International Airport and Midway International Airport. O'Hare International Airport is a larger airport with more flight options, better for international travel, and more amenities. On the other hand, Midway International Airport is a smaller airport with shorter security lines, easier navigation, and quicker access to downtown Chicago. Hey guys! Dito ako sa Chicago. Sobrang lamig. Hey! Ay, nagano pala. Sige, lakad babe. 10 seconds. Go, 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 go. Budget-friendly tips. Try to avoid renting a car while in Chicago, especially when you just want to roam around the city. Due to heavy traffic, hassle to park, and expensive parking tickets. Instead, download Bentro app and avail the 7 days pass for only $20. It's already unlimited rides for 7 days for both trains and buses, or 3 days pass for $15. Kaya, tap, tap, and tap ka na lang. Medyo walang kamatayan na Jollibee.
Gusto mo mag-ano?
Ano ka? Mag-ano nga? Hangin.
Huh?
Hangin. Hindi kita? Naglakad-lakad muna kami dyan guys at nag-lunch sa Jollibee kasi 3 PM pa kami pwede mag-check-in sa tutuluyan namin na hotel or apartment. At dahil mga pagod sa biyahe at hapon na rin at kailangan namin mag-ayos ng mga gamit, wala kami masyadong ganap sa araw na yan. Hey guys, good morning! We're going down to the Millennium Park to see one of the tourist attractions here in Chicago. The Cloud Gate, or also known as the Bean. Let's go guys. Sobrang lamig oh. Ito guys. Sasakay muna kami ng train. Papunta na. Say hi mga...
Hi po! Salita ka kasi may usap.
Kita nyo naman guys. Mga ano kami, mga chain smoker na. Ayun na guys, ito yung train no.
Asan yung train?
Train. Asan na? Dito sa atin. Para mga probinsyano.
Probinsanong lasaan, ano? Sudan.
Ayan na guys, yung The Bean. Wala. Ayan na. Yeah guys, nandito na kami sa Millennium Park. Ayan yung The Bean. Ayan na. Sobrang lamig. Negative 11 degrees. Ngayon, kaya maraming sinasapak sa mukha. Ayan naman. Hindi masyado nakikita. Pero umuusok ang mga kada salita ko, kada buka ng bibig ko umuusok. Ayan. Ay, sorry. Okay, so gusto niyo maghalo-halo? Ade, ayan na.
What? Inis mo lang kasi yung mga chiklito namin narinig. Nakadambot ng uto.
Ayun o, pwede na tayo magkano dyan o.
Ayun na. Ay, girl, meron pa naman dyan na ibang side na white.
Lip.
Dito na lang sa stove tubig. Oo nga eh. Tingnan mo tayo.
Papatok ang halo-halo dito. Ayan na. Ayun o. Papunta kami niyan guys sa Buckingham Fountain.
Mais
down
con
the street.
hielo, halo-halo.
At dahil ito ang first time namin to experience snow, tumitingin na din kami ng snowbed para gumawa ng snow angel. At dito namin nadaanan tong soccer field na tamang-tama para sa snow angel. Di na din kami dumiretso niyan sa Buckingham Fountain kasi walang tubig dahil siguro sa winter season ngayon. Kaya nag-enjoy na lang kami diyan sa snow.
Okay na.
Gawin nyo, bagi-bagi. Ayun ako. Pagbigyan nyo ako guys ha. First time sa snow. Ako ka ba, Ara? Nadaanan din namin itong Maggie Daily Skating Ribbon dito sa may downtown Chicago. Pero di pa kami niyan makapag-decide kung susubok ba kami at kung sino-sino yung mga sasama. Pero dahil past 12 noon na yan, ay kumain muna kami ng lunch. Yeah. Ayan na. Grabe, sinasapak na yung mukha ko. Yung pulang-pula na.
Guys, yung pisingin ko.
Pulang-pula ng pisngi. Sobrang lamig.
Pero worth it. Worth it.
Fish out. Dito kami guys sa Giordano kakain. Sikat din to sa mga pizza. So guys, if you are into pizza, it's a must try itong Giordano's Pizza, serving double crusted cheese stuffed pizza, a massive and super cheesy pizza like no others. So bago kami mag-decide which one ang i-order and while waiting, at para na din malaman alin ang pasok sa panlasa namin, isample platter muna ang in-order namin. Tingnan nyo naman guys yung pizza, akala mo cake lang sa sobrang laki. 5 na kami dyan pero di pa rin namin maubos. Dahil din siguro, naparami na din ang kain namin ng sample platter. Kaya ayun, di namin maubos-ubos. After namin mag-lunch, ipumunta kami sa Nutella Cafe para mag-dessert at i-fulfill ang cravings namin sa Nutella. Around the corner lang naman, kaya nilakad lang namin. After dyan, bumalik na kami sa skating ribbon para sumubok mag-skate for the first time. 3 lang kaming nag-decide na sumubok at yung 2 ay magmumoling na lang daw. $17 ang bayad dyan per session. Good for 2 hours na. 2 to 4 PM yung kinuha namin, which is saktong-sakto after lunch para makalibot pa din kami pagkatapos. Napalaba ng mga bukong-bukong at mga tuhod namin sa pagbalanse namin para makatayo. Kasi isang mali mo lang ay mag-slide at matutumba ka na. Madali lang tingnan pero sobrang hirap pala. Para ka nakatakong pero sa gitna nakalagay. Tumayo pa lang ng straight mahirap na. Lalo pa yung magpa-slide. Struggle is real talaga. Siguro, masarap lang talaga hawakan yung bar kaya ayaw namin magpagitna. Kami na siguro yung the crawler or wall grabber type of ice skater. Pero hindi naman kami nag-iisa dyan. Madami din kami dyan ng mga beginner. Yung puro nasa gilid lang. 2 hours lang kasi kaya hindi kami masyadong natuto. Natalo pa kami ng mga bata dyan na ang galing-galing mag-ice skating. Pero kahit ganun, ay nag-enjoy naman kami. Hey guys, nandito kami sa Magnificent Mile. Yung shopping store. Then sa unahan. Then papunta kami ng Starbucks. The world largest Starbucks.
Nagsasayaw ako kanina, tapos nagganyan ko. Hindi itong bagaan na may butas.
Guys, Starbucks, the world largest store. Ay! Kita nyo naman. Meron na tambucho ang mga bibig namin. Ayan na, ang susunod. 151. Yung bus namin. Hey guys, dito kami sa 360. Check out. Guys. Ikaw na, babe. Alam nyo ba guys na ang Chicago, aka Windy City, ay ang tinaguriang the birthplace of the skyscraper? The home insurance building completed in 1885 is widely regarded as the world's first skyscraper. So makikita nyo guys dito sa 360 Chicago how breathtaking their iconic architecture. Hey guys, dito naman sa 360.
This building has been making history since it was conceived by the architecture and engineering firm Skidmore, Owings & Merrill. It only exists because of the land expansion and reimagination of the city after the Chicago fire. The building was designed to be the world's second tallest building.
360 Chicago offers you to experience the impressive panoramic views of the Chicago skyline in Lake Michigan from more than 1,000 feet. It is open daily from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. Their general admission starts at $30. Tilt and View includes observation deck admission and tilt ride for only $39. Sip and View includes one item from Sip and View menu for $44. And if you want to experience all of them, purchase Sip, Tilt, and View for $53. So what are you waiting for? Reserve your tickets and get ready for an unforgettable experience here in 360 Chicago. Budget-friendly tips. Try to purchase your tickets online. It is $10 less than when you book on site. Guys, so I'm 360 Chicago.
Medyo kita yung lake kasi.
Pwede dito? Pwede dito.
Ikot. Dun sa kabila, mayroon din. Hey guys, waiting for the bus. Punta kami ng kasama. Brunch. Dito muna kami sa bus stop.
Picture.
Nag-snow na po.
Ito ko yung ano? Ito ko gabi. Ito yung outfit check.
Okay din. You see? Pag mapalanas ka, masyado madulas. Dumidikit yung snow sa sapatos. Yeah. Safety. Kanina umuulan ng snow eh. Yan tumigil na, sayang. Anyway, bukas daw kakaroon ulit. Sana maabutan namin. Papunta kami ng Kasama Restaurant. Mga Filipino food. Doon kami magba-brunch. Okay guys, false alarm.
Close po ang kasama.
Close ang Kasama.
Yung ito dito, Bibo.
Ginaw, doon kami. Ginaw. Tara. Sige. Ginaw.
Iba yung kasi.
At dahil sarado sa Kasama, dito kami kumain sa Uncle Mike's Place, a Filipino restaurant serving authentic Filipino food. May libreng sabaw, libreng goto, libreng tea, madaming libre, tapos mas mura pa halos yung combo meal nila kaysa dun sa single order. Kaya busog na busog kami. Dito kami sa Navy Pier. Masyadong frozen yung lake. Frozen yung tubig. Ito yung ano. Hindi kami masyadong makakalibo. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan na. Kahit balat na. Ang isa po dyan, lamig na lamig oh. Oh. Hey, ano na, tara na. Kaya ba? Hey guys. Try namin tong flyover. So, new experience again. Go.
Umingitin.
Flyover.
Don't forget your sense of curiosity, but also don't forget to silence your cell phones with the flash off so everyone can fully enjoy what's ahead. All right, it's time.
Look at this city. The place where we chase our goals. Chicago! So here we go. Chicago's heartbeat is fueled by struggle and resilience.
Anything to build it. You can build anything in the world.
A city. I want to build a city.
Flyover is located inside Navy Pier. It offers an immersive journey that connects you with our planet like never before. Soar over iconic locations, dive into authentic stories, and lose yourself to an unforgettable adventure. It begins with a gallery-style experience showcasing a selection of location-specific scenes. Then as you go along, you will uncover the underground history and distinct culture that makes each location unique and magnificent. And finally, brace yourself as they take you to the sky on an immersive flying journey, transporting you over, around, and through the world's most iconic places. Para ka nanood ng 3D sa sinihan habang nasa roller coaster. Ganon yung experience. Tampaling kita. The heck? My hands is shaking. My hands is shaking.
Higit na lang pagbabagsak. Wow, mama! Yan lamig! Dapat hindi kayo naman yung sa akin. Hindi man ako, may jacket pa ako. Ay, pinag- Wow! Ganda!
ito na yung sasakyan namin papuntang Louisiana. Nanginginig talagang kamay ko. Chef, bababa na naman. Pak! 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 Woo! Here you go, the Chicago cheddar. Thank you, thank you. Woo! We're going in Chicago cheddar.
Kailan pala hindi tayo bayad? Pwede bang pumunta? Walang ganda ko.
Oh, nakapasok ka na, babe. Thank you! We're going out.
Ayan na yung ano, yung
Ay, fountain.
Buckingham.
Wow,
Fountain.
labig! Ayan na.
We're gonna dive. We're gonna dive.
Wow! So, yan yung park. Ito yung park. Yung nag-skate kayo?
Ay, hindi. Ito yung zoo.
Ito yung zoo? Awag na pala tayo po.
And we're here in the zoo.
Uy, ang ganda.
Worth it. Okay.
Wow!
The beach! We're going to the beach! Guys! Oh no! Going down again. And the bin is here.
Ito yung kaibigan ka. Ay, ito. Taas, diba? Wow!
Another dimension.
Wow!
Nasa Riverwalk.
ay Navy Pier to.
Navy Pier.
May free fireworks kasi sila pagsama.
Pag summer, wow.
Ang ganda. Abalan. Uy, ang ganda. Doon yung pier ngayon. Oh, ayan naman na.
After ng napakagandang show sa flyover, ay lumabas muna kami para magpahangin at para makita ang kabuuan ng Navy Pier at para na din sumakay sa mga amusement rides nila. Ang kaso nga lang, sarado sila that time. Aminin man natin sa hindi, ang mga Pilipino talaga ay adik na adik sa camera. Kahit saan makakita lang ng camera, ay hindi mapigilan ang sarili. Well, sabi nga ng iba, walang basagan ng trip. The timelines, guys.
Guys, kailan din ka tayo sumakay?
Let's go, let's go. So crazy.
Dito.
Hey guys, we got a free donut. Free donut.
Thank you, Dunkin.
See?
Wait lang, Jay.
It's just for free.
Naka-free donut ka. Oo nga, ma-free donut ka.
Free donut and we will... Happy kids, happy keto, happy donut.
Starbucks baka naman.
Thank you for the sponsor.
Oo nga.
Yeah. Thank you Camille.
Charm ba, charm?
Charm. It's just a charm and then we got a free donut. Hey guys. Kuha na kami ng sasakyan. Mag-snowboarding kami. So, haba din ng biyahe. Mga more or less 1 hour. Para mas comfy. Muna tayo sa harap. O, Ara! Ayan, aga. Si Camille loner sa likod, oh. We're going to Wisconsin. Wisconsin? Wisconsin. Di ko inaakala guys na may experience ko to. Dati pinapangarap ko lang na makapunta sa lugar na may snow. Yung maglaro at mahiga sa yelo. You'll never know talaga ano mangyayari sa iyo in the future. Siguro, just pursuing your dreams at tiwala sa sarili. Matutupad mo din ang mga pinapangarap mo. Sobrang lamig dito guys. Lalo na pag humahangin, sagad sa buto ang lamig. So, you guys, if you need to choose, would you rather live in a country with a winter climate or in a tropical country that is humid and mostly sunny weather? Comment down below guys, what's your answer? Papunta na kami niyan guys sa Alpine Valley Ski Resort located in Wisconsin para subukan ang kanilang mga winter activities like snow tubing, skiing, at snowboarding. Ito guys yung mga prices nila. At ito naman ang terrain ng ski resort. Medyo may kamahalan siya guys. More or less $200 ang magagastos namin, including equipment rentals at lift. Yung helmet kasi separate yung price. Di siya kasama dun sa equipment rentals. Alright guys, we're here at Alpine Valley Ski Resort. So we're getting ready. Say hi. Hey guys. So, nasa likod guys yung slides para sa snowboarding. Let's see. Let's go. Lahat ba first time mag Okay, wish us luck guys. Babe, Camille.
Alpine Valley Resort.
Dalawa pa.
Hanggang dito lang kasi may nakalagay. No one without ticket. Yes. Dito tayo makapapicture.
Hey guys. So exciting. Di. At dahil nga may kamahalan ang presyo sa Alpine Valley at wala din silang snow tubing, pumunta kami dito sa Crystal Ridge na matry na namin ang mga winter activities without compromising our budget. The window price for the ski and snowboard is $60 for adult 13 years old and above, and $50 for 12 and under, plus rental add-on of individual ski, snowboard, boot, and helmet for only $35. For snow tubing, they only pay for $24.35. But you can save money with their discount when you book your ticket online. Okay guys, andito na tayo sa Crystal Ridge. Dito ganong kataki sa katulad dun sa Alpine Valley Ski Resort. Pero mas mura naman to. Ayan you guys. 4 PM pa sila nagbubukas eh. Kaya bibili muna kami ng ticket. Let's go!
Snowboarding or skiing, that's for them.
Here we go guys. Tatry na ako. Snowboarding. Hey guys. Try na. Let's go. Siyempre sa beginners area muna tayo. Alright. I think they're going now. About the rope. So guys, the ladies are having so much fun with their snow tubing, while Tubbs and I have a long way to go, having the need to start from scratch and busting our butts to pull this through. This is our first time to ski and snowboard, so bear with us guys. We keep on falling every single time that we almost give up. Pero naisip ko, we should end the night on a high note, so we keep on trying at least go down to the track without falling down to the ground. Tubes with a ski and me with a snowboard. And guess what? We did it!
Touch me. I don't know much about love, but I keep on checking my phone to see when you're home or when you want me to pull up. We're one and the same. You got me caught in the play. I love when you say
Hi
my
guys, basta kami. Time to return the equipment. After dyan, para sulitin ang gabi, ay nisipan namin na pumunta ng Milwaukee para manood ng NBA basketball game. $8 lang naman at game na game ang lahat, kaya walang ano-ano ay pumunta kami agad. Frozen. Hi guys, pupunta kami ng Milwaukee Bucks at Orlando game sa may Pfizer Forum. Pahirapan yung parking area dito. Grabe. Isa talaga man nasa downtown. Pahirapan ng mga parking area. Anyway, sobrang lamig. Guys, Pfizer Forum. Milwaukee Bucks. Grabe guys, ang laki ng venue, ng court. ng court. Ayan guys, sa likod namin. Masyadong kita yung snow, pero umulan na po siya, medyo manipis lang. Okay, kaliwa.
Yan ang place now.
Snowing.
Snowing in Milwaukee. Happy na mga bata.
Go! Tuwa na! It's Christmas! Hindi, wala yung dalawang star player ninda.
Talaga?
Yung magkapatid na Wagner.
It is. Yeah, self-serve.
It snow, let it snow, let it snow. Tapos umulan na. It snow. Alright. Let's go home, let's go home. Tambak malala yung Orlando. Oh, tinanggal na nila yung ilaw sa Pfizer Forum. Wala na nga yung ilaw. Hindi.
I keep checking.
Dito iba balik dito. Picture ko na. Madali na. Sino na una? Picture. Sige na, mag-video na lang tayo.
Clear the deer!
Yes! Super!
It's snow. Ayan guys, yung tulay. Tulay ng yellow. Madulas yan.
Or baka wala lang yung available ng money.
Ano nga ito?
Baka wala lang yung parang ano. Yung parang
Ilog. Ilog guys. Guys, kung dito kayo sa Chicago, daanan nyo tong Seafood City. Yan. Meron silang Jollibee and Red Ribbon. Meron din Baleros. Mga Filipino food. On the last day, pumunta lang kami sa Chinatown, kumain sa Samgyeopsal, at pumunta sa Seafood City Supermarket para bumili ng cake para ipagdiwang ang karawan ng aking girlfriend. Balak pa sana namin i-try yung Chicago Riverwalk Tour. Ang kaso nga lang, parang di namin kakayanin magstay sa boat for more or less 1 hour tour. So sobrang mahangin kaya sobrang lamig.
Alright, wish!
Okay, blow your candle. Wish ka muna.
Sabay mo kami sa wish mo.
Ito na manalo tayo ng milyones.
Manalo kami sa lotto. Yay!
Yay! Time to go guys. Uwi na.
Nag-Uber na nga lang kami.
Ako, kagising ko lang.
Uwian na. So, paano ba yan guys? Nasayang ko na naman ang mga oras nyo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang aking video, please hit the like and share button and follow for more. Bye-bye!